Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a public profile on X. First, download the X app or visit the website to begin. You'll need to sign up using your email, phone number, or a Google account. Follow the simple prompts to enter your name and date of birth, ensuring accuracy for verification. This initial step is quick and sets the foundation for your new public presence on the platform, getting you ready to connect with others. Next, let's set up your profile essentials. Upload a clear profile picture, ideally 400 by 400 pixels, to make a great first impression. Craft a concise bio, keeping it under 160 characters, to tell people about yourself and your interests. Don't forget to add a header photo. This personalizes your profile visually and makes it more engaging for visitors. These elements are crucial for establishing your online identity. Now, let's ensure your profile is truly public. Go to your Settings and Privacy menu, then select Privacy and Safety. It's important to ensure the Protect Your Posts option is turned off. This makes your content visible to everyone. Take a moment to review other privacy options, like discoverability, to control how others find and interact with your public profile. This step is key for broad reach. Finally, to grow your public profile, engage consistently. Post regularly with interesting content, including images or videos, to keep your audience captivated. Interact with other users by liking, replying to, and reposting their content. This fosters community. Use relevant hashtags to significantly increase the visibility of your posts, helping new people discover your profile. Active engagement is vital for building a strong presence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.